Troops, good afternoon. Today, I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merge, Lifebuoy, alcohols, soap bar. Ito po sila. Meron tayong Lifebuoy, ethyl alcohol, 70% solution, antiseptic, 500 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Lifebuoy. Lifebuoy fights 99.9% of germs, antibacterial soap, 75 grams, with active silver formula, 75 grams, Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores, most grocery stores. Kahit sa mga tindahan. Next, meron din tayong Lifebuoy. Fights 99.9% of germs, antibacterial soap, 60 grams. Yan, Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Lifebuoy fights 99.9% of germs, antibacterial soap, 60 grams. Yan. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge video. Lifebuoy, alcohol, soap bar. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all. Always. Thank you for watching. Lifebuoy. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam nyo kung ano ng mga Unilever Company merge videos. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam nyo kung ano mga uri ng mga Unilever Company merge sa hindi pa nakakaalam. Thank you for watching. God bless.